All right, young Mitch is back from fishing, mate. How'd you go today? No good. No. Everyone's relying on you for catching fish, mate. None? None. So 2 yesterday and none today? Yep. Must be that outgoing tide. It's running pretty fast. He's the #1 fisherman here today, or yesterday. He's the only one that's caught fish. You woke up this morning, you went down there, and what, those people down there fishing in your spot? Yeah. That's bad. All right, we're done, packed up. Pretty simple setup, especially Johnno's over there. He just throws everything in the back of the canvas and Mitch zips it up and they're right to go. I had a bit of shit to pack up, but we're done. I think we're gonna head back in towards Omeo, maybe catch up with Russell, and then, yeah, probably just head home from there, see how we go. Been a good trip, bit of rain, but other than that, it's been all right. Plenty of beers drunk, and a couple of fish caught, that's about it. Alright, just been out messing around. Heading sort of down from the campsite where we are, and I've come across this little bit here. It's the 3rd or 4th one of these I've come across. Some big ruts there. I think I'll dip out. The boys are going for a look up there to see whether we can turn around up further. Don't know how much luck they've had. Alright, we come to the end of this track. Two rivers here meeting. Yeah.
wasn't the best line.
Johnno got himself in some mischief there. He's a bit stuck. Still sneak around the outside and see if we can snatch him out. All right, we got him out of here. Sure was a pretty sticky situation, eh, Mitch?
Yeah.
You pulled us out and then we just... Probably snatched him about fucking 50 metres. Where Johnno was stuck back there, there was this bog hole here which gave us all sorts of grief earlier on. But we're out. Skull dragged her out. Yeah. Yeah, so we just decided to go and check out Lake Omeo, which happens to be at Benambra, and then we're going to go over the Blowhard, Mount Blowhard or the Blowhard Lookout, whatever it is. Some awesome views from up there, and then head down to the Mitta Mitta, just check that out on the way back to Omeo. Alright, there it is. Lake Omeo. Bit of water in it, but I thought there would have been more. Wouldn't be real deep at the moment, I wouldn't reckon. Lake Omeo. come down to the Mitta Mitta. Still flying pretty hard. Young Mitch is over there having a fish. He's the fisherman of the trip, that's for sure. And Mitch has done it again. Nice little trout. Well done, mate.
Cheers.
You can come camping with me anytime. That'll save me fishing.